Can't get to the store? Instacart is here to help. On your computer or tablet, visit Instacart.com. You can also do this on your phone. Download the Instacart app in the Google Play or Apple App Store. On the web page, click the box and enter your address or zip code. Then, enter your email. You can also use Facebook or Google to create an account. Select a store and start filling your cart. You can learn more about a retailer's delivery and pickup availability as well as pricing here. You can use the search bar to find specific items, or scroll through available coupons and featured products, or tap Departments to browse different departments. Then choose an item you'd like to purchase and indicate how many or how much you'd like. You can indicate preferred replacements in case the store is sold out. You can also provide your shopper with specific instructions. Finished? Tap the grocery cart in the top right corner, then click Go to Checkout. Add your delivery address. If you need to specify other delivery instructions, add them to the Instructions for Delivery box. Choose a delivery time. If you won't be home or are limiting your contact with others, select the Leave at My Door option. Add your mobile number so we can text or call you about your order. Enter your name. Then enter your payment information. And click Place Order. It's that easy. A local shopper will hand-pick items in your order and bring them straight to your door. Need help? Visit Instacart.com/help.